Hi, today I'll be choosing a color for the frame of this painting that I restored. First, I want to test the paints I have, so let's begin. The jars have been sitting for quite a long time, so we need to check their condition. This one is in excellent shape. And the next is red. Lovely color. It looks fine, so let's keep it. And here we have a golden wax. This will definitely come in handy. And next is a nice beige tone. Let's have a look. It's also in good condition. And this jar. Let's try to open it. I'm not sure. So I think we have to shake it. No, I have to throw it away. And finally, the last of the old jars. Let's open it and... No, this one is no good either. Well then, time to wipe the table and go to buy some new paint. So, here we have two new jars, a pleasant cocoa color and a gray. Let's open them and check their condition. First, we need to mix them well. This might take some effort. It took quite a long time to me, so we'll speed this part up a bit. The gray turns out to be in even worse condition. I had to mix it for a very long time. Now let's do a small test application to see how these colors work with the painting and highlight its strength. Despite the long mixing process, the paint quality is still good. So the gray is applied. Now let's move on to the cocoa color. So, which one do you like more, cocoa or gray? Let me know your choice in the comments. Thank you!